Welcome back to US Motors, where we talk about the cars that make history and the machines that redefine luxury. Today we're diving into something truly legendary, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado, a name that carries decades of prestige and now returns with a bold modern attitude. The exterior of the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado is pure presence. This car doesn't try to blend in, it commands attention the moment it appears. Cadillac has kept the long, wide, low-slung proportions that made the Eldorado iconic, but everything has been sharpened for the modern era. The front end is aggressive yet elegant, dominated by a wide blacked-out grille with the illuminated Cadillac crest sitting proudly in the center. Slim vertical LED headlights stretch downward, giving the car a confident and unmistakable Cadillac signature, especially at night. The hood is long and sculpted, with strong character lines that flow smoothly into the sides of the car. From the profile, the Eldorado looks like a luxury grand tourer built for power and comfort. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette that feels both classic and futuristic. Large alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the clean body surfaces reflect Cadillac's focus on premium design rather than unnecessary clutter. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights return, framing a wide stance that makes the Eldorado look planted and muscular. The overall design feels expensive, confident, and unmistakably American. Now let's talk performance, because the 2026 Eldorado isn't just about looks. Cadillac has engineered this car to deliver serious power while maintaining smooth luxury. Under the hood, the Eldorado is expected to feature a high-performance V8, possibly supported by advanced hybrid technology to improve efficiency without sacrificing muscle. Power delivery is strong and effortless, pushing the car forward with authority whether you're cruising on the highway or accelerating hard from a stop. The suspension is tuned for comfort first, but it doesn't feel soft or disconnected. Cadillac's adaptive suspension system reads the road and adjusts instantly, keeping the ride smooth while still offering confidence through corners. Steering is precise for a car of this size, and the Eldorado feels stable even at high speeds. This is a car designed for long-distance cruising, where miles disappear quietly and comfortably, yet it still has enough punch to remind you that this is a flagship Cadillac. Inside, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado continues the luxury theme with a modern, tech-focused cabin. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, including soft leather, real wood or carbon fiber accents, and brushed metal details. A large curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless layout. Everything feels driver-focused while still offering comfort for passengers. Seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long journeys, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Ambient lighting adds a soft glow to the cabin, creating a relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. Technology is everywhere, from advanced driver assistance systems to a high-end sound system that turns the cabin into a rolling concert hall. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado is more than just a revival of a legendary name. It's a statement from Cadillac that American luxury is alive, powerful, and evolving. It blends classic presence with modern performance and advanced technology, making it a true flagship for the brand. If you're looking for a car that delivers comfort, power, and unmistakable style, the new Eldorado proves that Cadillac still knows how to build something special. This is US Motors, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iconic machines coming your way.